Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today is a special video because I just reached 200 subscribers. And I may not show it, but I am so ecstatic by that. I am so happy. Thank every single one of you that are liking and subscribing and commenting on my videos. You guys are making my dream come true. I know it's not much, but it shows that there is an audience. And as I continue to post videos, the audience will continue to grow. So today I'm just throwing together a little video. Last night I went out to dinner and I got a lot of leftovers. So I'm just going to cook up the leftovers and maybe I'll tell you a little bit about myself and let's get going. Okay, so what I got for dinner last night. In here is just some angel hair pasta and here is almost an entire king cup prime rib. I wasn't that hungry. I was hungry, but then I ate like 5 pieces of bread and then I wasn't that hungry. So, got almost an entire prime rib. I'm probably just gonna throw it in a pan, chop it up, throw it in a pan, crisp it up real nice, warm the pasta up. But it's been a while since I made a video. I just wanted to get a video out to you guys to really show my appreciation. I made a post about 100 subscribers a couple days ago, and right now we're sitting at 185. So hopefully by tomorrow I should be up around 200 and I can post this video. So let's get cooking. And if you guys hear chewing in the background, it is this little thing eating. With the fond off the bottom of the pan. Okay, so a little bit about me. I'm Garrett. I'm 20 years old, and it has been my dream my entire life to be a YouTuber. I know it's a lot of kids' dreams, what they say, like 80% of kids, but I was working, I'm still working, of course, but I came to realize if you don't record videos, you won't be successful. So that's when I started going, and that's when I'm going. I'm looking out the window because my parents should be home any minute, and I can't really record when they're in the house. So yeah, that's really, I know this video is short, I know there's not much in it, but I just want to express just on how sheerly grateful I am for every one of you subscribers out there. I know it's not much, there's people out there with 100 million, I can't even monetize my channel. I'm doing this strictly for the love of the game. I love teaching, just not kids. I love teaching, I love cooking, I love everything. I love entertaining, I love everything about it. So I just thank you guys so much. Alright? If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, leave me a like. Thank you guys. Peace.